Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Better off, better off. I am wicked, you're insane. But I wouldn't have it any other way. If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance. Pound for pound, we're a perfect match. Pulling punches, or toe to toe, we're always on the road. We're so better, we can't stop, we can't stop. 'Cause together we're better off, and we can.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you 4 different styles of turban tutorials or hijab tutorial, whichever way you want to call it. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel down below and hit that bell button next to the subscribe button and get notified whenever I upload new videos. And yeah, with that being said, let's get right into the video.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Better off, better off. I am wicked, you're insane. But I wouldn't have it any other way. If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance. Pound for pound, we're a perfect match. Pulling punches, or toe to toe, we're always on the road. We're so better, we can't stop, we can't stop. 'Cause together we're better off, and we can. Better off, better off. Better off. I am crooked, you're clean cut. I'm wide-eyed, your eyes are shut. If I'm knocked out, I'll go the distance. Pound for pound, we're a perfect match. Pulling punches, or toe to toe, we're always on the road. We're so better, we can't stop, we can't stop. 'Cause together we're better off, and we can. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Better off, better off. I am wicked, you're insane. But I wouldn't have it any other way. If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance. Pound for pound, we're a perfect match. Pulling punches, or toe to toe, we're always on the road. We're so better, we can't stop, we can't stop. 'Cause together we're better off, and we can. Better off, better off. Better off. am crooked, you're clean cut. I'm wide-eyed, your eyes are shut. If I'm knocked out, I'll go the distance, pound for pound. We're a perfect match, pulling punches, or toe to toe. We're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop, we can't stop. 'Cause together we're better off, and we can. Better off. I am wicked, you're insane, but I wouldn't have it any other way. If we're knocked out, I'll go the distance, pound for pound. We're a perfect match, pulling punches, or toe to toe. We're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop, we can't stop. 'Cause together we're better off, and we can. Better off, better off. Better off. I am crooked, you're clean cut. I'm wide-eyed, your eyes are shut. If I'm knocked out, I'll go the distance, pound for pound. We're a perfect match, pulling punches, or toe to toe. We're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop, we can't stop. 'Cause together we're better off, and we can.
So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this turban tutorial. I want to start filming more of these turban tutorials or hijab tutorials and what's not. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And yeah, if you were able to reach this far, thank you so much for sticking around, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.